Welcome to the 7th episode of our series, where we will be discussing artificial intelligence in transforming the way we live, work, and interact with one another. It has the potential to revolutionize many industries and significantly improve our quality of life. However, there are also concerns about the impact of AI on society, such as job displacement, privacy concerns, and bias. In this episode, we will examine both the benefits and potential drawbacks of AI on society, as well as the future of AI and its impact. We will explore the ethical concerns around AI and its impact, and share some case studies of how AI is already affecting society. Finally, we will discuss the crucial role of government and society in shaping the impact of AI and the importance of responsible AI development and deployment. Artificial intelligence (AI) has the potential to transform society and bring about significant benefits. One of the most significant benefits of AI is the increased efficiency it can provide across industries. For example, AI-powered systems can automate many repetitive and time-consuming tasks, allowing employees to focus on more complex and creative work. This can lead to increased productivity, reduced costs, and faster turnaround times. Another key benefit of AI is improved safety. In the transportation industry, AI can help vehicles avoid accidents, reduce traffic congestion, and improve fuel efficiency. AI-powered medical systems can help identify and prevent medical errors, improve medical diagnosis and care, and assist in the development of new drugs and treatments. In emergency situations, AI can help first responders quickly identify and respond to critical events, such as natural disasters or public safety threats. AI can also contribute to better decision-making. By analyzing vast amounts of data and identifying patterns and trends, AI can help decision-makers make more informed and data-driven decisions. In finance, AI algorithms can help identify patterns and trends in financial markets and make more accurate predictions. In education, AI can help personalize learning for each student based on their strengths and weaknesses, and can provide teachers with insights into student performance to support more effective teaching. Finally, AI can help organizations identify and mitigate risks, optimize processes, and improve customer service. AI-powered systems can analyze customer data and behavior to identify trends and preferences, and can recommend products and services based on these insights. AI can also help organizations detect and prevent fraud, and can identify potential security threats before they become a problem. Overall, AI has the potential to bring significant benefits to society across a range of industries, from healthcare and transportation to finance and education. However, it is important to ensure that AI is developed and deployed responsibly, with a focus on ethics and human well-being. The potential drawbacks of AI on society cannot be ignored, as they can have significant consequences for individuals and communities. One major concern is the impact of AI on the job market, as it has the potential to displace workers and exacerbate income inequality. As more jobs become automated, many individuals may find themselves out of work, particularly in industries that rely heavily on manual labor or routine tasks. This can lead to a significant shift in the labor market, with the potential for long-term unemployment and decreased economic mobility. Additionally, there is a risk of increased surveillance and privacy violations, as AI can collect and analyze vast amounts of personal data. This can have implications for individuals' rights to privacy and the potential for misuse of data by both public and private organizations. Another concern is the potential for the misuse of AI for harmful purposes, such as developing autonomous weapons or perpetuating harmful biases. These risks underscore the importance of responsible AI development and deployment, as well as the need for regulatory frameworks and oversight to ensure that AI is used for the greater good of society. As AI technology advances, its potential impact on society is expected to become even more significant. One of the most significant areas where AI could make a difference is in addressing global challenges like climate change and poverty. With advanced predictive modeling and big data analysis, AI can help researchers and policymakers better understand the effects of climate change and develop effective solutions. Similarly, AI can help create more efficient and effective social programs that can help alleviate poverty and promote economic growth. However, as with any new technology, there is always the potential for unintended negative consequences. For example, if AI is not developed and deployed responsibly, it could exacerbate existing inequalities or perpetuate biases. It is therefore critical to ensure that AI is developed and deployed in an ethical and responsible manner to ensure that its impact on society is positive and beneficial for all. One of the most critical issues facing the development and deployment of AI is the ethical concerns surrounding it. One major concern is the issue of bias in AI algorithms. Because algorithms learn from data, they can perpetuate and amplify biases present in that data, resulting in discriminatory or unjust outcomes. To address this concern, developers must take steps to ensure that their algorithms are free from biases based on race, gender, or other factors. One way to do this is by creating diverse training datasets that are representative of the real world. Another concern is the transparency of AI algorithms. It can be challenging to understand how an algorithm arrives at its decisions or recommendations, making it challenging to detect and address any biases or errors. To address this concern, developers must ensure that their algorithms are transparent in their decision-making processes. This transparency can be achieved by making the decision-making processes more explainable and interpretable to humans. Finally, it is essential to ensure that AI is accountable for its actions. As AI becomes increasingly integrated into critical decision-making processes, it must be possible for humans to understand and challenge its decisions. Developers must make it possible for humans to override or correct AI decisions if necessary, and they must take responsibility for the outcomes of their algorithms. By addressing these ethical concerns, AI can be developed and deployed in a way that benefits society while minimizing harm. One example of AI's positive impact on society is its use in cancer research. AI can analyze vast amounts of genetic and medical data to identify patterns that humans may not be able to detect, which can lead to the development of new and more effective treatments. Another example is the use of AI in natural disaster response. AI can help predict the path and severity of natural disasters, which can help authorities prepare and respond more efficiently. On the negative side, the use of facial recognition technology has raised concerns around privacy violations and discrimination. Facial recognition technology has been shown to have higher error rates when used on people of color, which can lead to false identifications and wrongful arrests. Additionally, there have been concerns about the use of AI in the criminal justice system, such as the use of risk assessment algorithms that may perpetuate racial biases. It is crucial to address these ethical concerns and consider the potential impact of AI on society before deploying it on a large scale. As AI technology advances and its impact on society becomes more significant, the role of government and society in shaping the impact of AI is becoming increasingly important. Government and policymakers need to create and enforce policies and regulations that promote the development and deployment of AI in an ethical and responsible manner. For example, they can require transparency and accountability from companies and organizations using AI, mandate that AI systems are free from bias and discrimination, and protect individuals' privacy and data. Society also plays an important role in shaping the impact of AI. People need to be informed about the potential benefits and drawbacks of AI and understand how it may affect their lives. They can also engage in discussions and debates around the use of AI and advocate for responsible and ethical AI development and deployment. Additionally, individuals and organizations can collaborate with experts and policymakers to develop guidelines and best practices for the use of AI, such as creating standards for ethical decision-making and developing tools for monitoring and mitigating bias and discrimination. Overall, the role of government and society in shaping the impact of AI is essential in ensuring that this technology benefits society while minimizing its potential drawbacks. By working together, we can ensure that AI development and deployment are ethical, transparent, and accountable, and that the impact of AI is positive for everyone. Responsible AI development and deployment is critical to ensuring that AI has a positive impact on society. There are several principles that should guide the responsible development and deployment of AI. One of the primary principles is transparency, which means that the inner workings of an AI system should be clear and understandable. This allows people to have confidence in the system and to identify any potential biases or errors. Additionally, AI systems should be designed to be unbiased and avoid perpetuating existing societal inequalities. To achieve this, data sets used to train AI algorithms should be diverse and representative of the population. Accountability is another crucial principle in responsible AI development and deployment. It is essential to ensure that humans can override or correct AI decisions if necessary, and that AI systems are subject to oversight and regulation. Finally, responsible AI development and deployment involves a commitment to ongoing evaluation and improvement. As AI technology continues to evolve, it is crucial to assess the impact of AI systems and make adjustments as necessary to ensure that they continue to serve the best interests of society. AI has already made significant progress and is set to bring significant benefits to society. However, its potential drawbacks and ethical concerns must be addressed to maximize the benefits and mitigate the potential harms. As AI continues to develop, we can expect to see more significant impacts on society, such as solving some of the world's most pressing problems. Therefore, it is crucial to ensure that AI development and deployment is responsible and ethical to avoid unintended negative consequences. This involves ensuring that AI is developed and used in a way that is transparent, unbiased, and accountable. The role of government and society is crucial in shaping the impact of AI, and they must create policies and regulations to ensure that AI is developed and deployed responsibly and ethically. The ongoing conversation around AI's impact on society is crucial to ensure that we maximize its benefits and mitigate its potential harms.